Good day, everyone. We're Group 6, and our chosen persona is a single mom, and she is also a student. Her name is Ansai, and the adjective for her name is anxiety. She's 20 years old, and she lives in Cainta, Rizal. Her source of income is in live selling. She has a social isolation problem, and her weakness is social interaction and time management. Her strength is resourceful and hardworking. So here's our technology-based solution. It is an mobile application named Ansai. So first, we have here a login page. Kung saan pwede tayo mag-register ng account pag wala pang account. And also, for registration, we have here full name, contact number, and other information details ng isang user. So yan, makapag-register. And kapag napag-create na tayo and nakalimutan natin yung password, pwede natin i-click yung forgot password. So yan, enter lang natin yung email address, then automatically mag-send ito ng code sa ating email. So yan, for verification purposes. So yan, dito mag-require na mag-create ng new password. So dapat alphanumeric yung maibibigay natin new password. So yan, as we can see, successful na yung pag-change ng password. So next, yan, pwede natin i-login na after the registration. So as we can see here is the dashboard. Kung saan meron tayong navigation bar sa gilid na kung saan makita natin, and pwede tayong mag-edit ng profile. Yan. And also, pwede tayong mag-update dito. Ayan. I-fill out lang natin yung mga needed information. So, drop yun. Next po. Balik tayo sa navigation bar. So yan, sa navigation bar, makikita natin dito yung edit profile, home, logout, and also yung settings. So sa dashboard naman, makikita natin kung kamusta yung mga araw ng registered user natin. Also, nandito rin yung mental health analytics and sleep analysis. So, dito nakapaloob yung mga features for this mobile application. So we have session for medical history, my task, helpmate, forum, budget, monitored. So for helpmate, yung helpmate, isa siyang AI tool para matulungan si Ansai, siyempre as a student, para matulungan siyang mas makapag-aral or makapag-review if may mga quizzes siya. So meron tayo ditong study tutor. Ayan, kung saan pwede siyang mag-ask ng mga questions. And ito naman, magpo-provide si helpmate ng accurate answers regarding dun sa question niya. So we have also here writing assistant. Yan, para matulungan siya for proper writings and makabuo ng maayos na sentences yan. So, also meron tayong grammar checker and paraphraser. Yan. Para magkaroon si Ansai or yung end user ng mas maayos na grammar na at matulungan siya ma-develop yung pagka-construct niya ng mga sentences.
And sa forum is may two category, which is yung psychiatrist and social engagement. Psychiatrist is meron ding three categories, yung personalized therapy for self-growth, strengthening therapy bonds and resolving conflict, guidance for adolescent challenges. Sa personalized therapy for self-growth, and meron dito ang pwede mong makausap ng mga doctors, for example kay Alexander, and dito is pwede mo siyang makausap about sa mental health mo, and pag may mga concerns ka, ganun, and pwede mo rin siyang i-video call, and ayan, makikita, and pwede kayong mag-usap through online video call. And then next, sa strengthening therapy bonds and resolving conflict, so dito rin is meron kayong makausap ng mga doctors, and yung about sa mga mental health mga concerns, and also meron ding video call. And sa guidance and adolescent challenges, mga concern mo about sa health mo din, and also sa child, and syempre sa sa sarili mo, yung mga kung may mga concerns ka, ganun. And also pwede mo rin siyang makausap through video call. And next is social engagement. So dito is pwede mo nang makausap dito yung mga single mom, and pwede kang mag-shares ng mga emotions, ideas, and so on. For example, kay Brianna. And so, dito pwede mo siyang makamusta and also mag-share ka ng mga experiences mo, ganyan. And pwede ka rin mag-video call. And next, session for medical history. So, dito is makikita mo yung medical history mo. Nandito yung physician, social engagement, and also yung previous appointment mo. And also, medical health, heart rate, height, blood type, weight, and blood sugar. And also, pwede mo ring makita yung medical health na mag-attach ka ng files. And yung details, makikita mo rin dito. And ayan. So, yun lang.
Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you our app in the MyTask. So here's our MyTask, and there is a date. So makikita po dito natin is schedule today ni Ansay Reyes. Ang oras po is 8:09 AM. May gina rin po dito yung reminder, don't forget to schedule for tomorrow. So, sa next plan po natin is, let's set the schedule easily. Pwede tayo mag-select date dito. So, ang pinili po ng answer is Monday, May 6, from 12 PM to 2 PM. So, meron pong category dito is meeting others, meeting weekend. Pwede po mag-add. Pwede rin po mag-no, and then po save. So, next po is, punta naman tayo sa budget monitoring. So, itong budget monitoring po, pwede po tayong break plan to client experience. So, we provide best quality medicine therapy with low price. So, basic plan po natin is 300 to 500 pesos monthly. Next po is, budget for May po is 10K. Ang merong cash income po siya is 25K. Kaya meron din po available balance is 15K. Pwede po siya mag-create a saving goal 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. So, ang living expenses niya po is 10K. And the next po is, so, andito po yung budget for May, and the payment of Ansay Reyes to Dr. Alexander po is 500 pesos. So, next po. So, mag-notify po na already paid na po to Dr. Alexander on May 6, 3 PM. Payment is 500 pesos. That's all po.
For wrap up, this mobile application will help Ansi to improve her time management, social engagement, and para ma-lessen yung mental concern niya through the help of psychiatrists, and also matulungan siya na ma-remind sa bills na hindi niya mabayaran. That's all. Thank you.